we got the list of 61, and we have spoken with the Assam, the rifle officials also, and the Manipur. They have assured us to provide security till they depart from the Imphal.
DGP ke Meghalaya ULR Bishnoi ke Santrik Jumang lai thup katanan pulit layop dia ke thup kerteng ju ginri hui ngut ki Khynnah Pule Meghalaya ke blasa kut Manipur ye ki ba on Wallam no Lyngba ke charter plane ringkar ke jinga jingya da bobyang.
The aeroplane has gone, chartered plane has gone, and our officers have also gone. So we got the list of 61, and we have spoken with the Assam, the rifle officials also, and the Manipur. They have assured us to provide security till they depart from the Imphal, and I don't visualize any serious problem.
Ulai thoru bahadu mentak thup kerteng ke kenthop ye ginri hui ngut Khynnah Pule bakila benun churu senakja Pule ka RIMS bat kiwe de ki jaga Pule badeki ro on Wallam no haju por lo ongru bak sarkar ka rantre stam manlum jingtep halor jingdon jiki nong song snong jong kjela Manipur wala yamenta ompala pantem habakli la on perkheng susu ikilat jingya da Shillong hadin ke jing kulmar ka sautrik jumang hanong ba DGP ulong bagi pulit ki lakmi bania ki katuk ani ki jaka ki basong basa ki kuki barki meitei kumhapo Happy Valley nong thamai nong Shiliang laim khra madar teng barki wei haka ki kenhon pulit ki layak pahara
61 we got the list, and after that whoever are left in the rims and other institutions, they will also be brought back. And immediately once they come here, we have a plan to interact with them so that they should not feel any kind of trauma after this. Yesterday when I have spoken with the DGP there, so he assured us, and immediately paramilitary forces was deployed in the rims and the students were safe. So we have identified certain areas where the citizens and the youth of both community are residing, like Happy Valley, like the Nongthamai area is there, Nongslang area is there, Laimukra area is there, and Madanetting area is there, and few other scattered areas where the youth are staying. So in those areas we have already drawn a plan to execute and strengthen the mobile patrolling.
DGP lai thoru bakatal pulit kadang ekran bak ni hu ba hadu menta ompa somladon kan unu jingja.
And rest some educational institutions, like many students are studying in Nehu. So we are in touch with the administration of the Nehu also, and so far no problem, and we are not visualizing much problems here. We have shared our contact number with all the community and students leader and assured them if any problem, please don't take law into your own hands. We are with them for any kind of help, and they are free to contact.